Alright, let's talk about the stock market. If you're just starting out, all the lingo can sound like a different language. But once you get the basics, you're ahead of the game. So let's break some of this down, fast and simple. First up, stock. When someone talks about stocks, they just mean shares of a company. Owning a stock, it's like owning a tiny piece of the business. If the company does well, your tiny piece could grow in value. If it tanks, well, so does your piece. Next, bull market versus bear market. Here's an easy way to remember. Bulls charge up, bears swipe down. So a bull market means prices are going up. Everyone's feeling good. A bear market, prices are dropping. People are nervous. Now, let's talk about IPO. That stands for initial public offering. It's just a fancy way of saying a company is selling its stock to the public for the first time. Think of it as a grand opening sale, but for shares. Ever hear about dividends? This is when a company pays you a bit of cash just for owning their stock. Not every company does this, but it's basically a reward for being an investor. Moving on, market capitalization, or just market cap, this is the total value of a company's shares. Picture all the shares multiplied by their current price. Big companies like Apple or Amazon, trillion-dollar market caps. Smaller, riskier companies, way less. Volume. This is just how many shares are bought and sold in a given time. If volume is high, lots of people are trading. If it's low, not much action. Let's hit portfolio. That's just your collection of investments. Stocks, bonds, maybe a little crypto. Diversifying your portfolio means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread the risk, spread the reward, and then there's blue chip stocks. These are big, reliable companies, usually around for decades. Think Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson. They're not flashy, but they've got a track record. One last one, ETF. That stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It's like a giant basket holding lots of different stocks. You buy one share of an ETF, and you're instantly invested in a whole group of companies. Super easy for beginners. Alright, there's way more out there, but these are the basics. Know these and you'll feel way less lost the next time you hear someone talking stocks. And remember, don't be afraid to ask questions. Investing is a journey. You just took your first step.